my name is Catherine Cheeley and I'm a product marketing manager here at Zuora, and today I'll be quickly introducing you to Zuora CPQ, which is a configure price quote solution built for companies monetizing recurring revenue products. Zuora CPQ is currently enabling reps at companies like Zoom, Verisk, and VMware to quote for the entire subscriber lifecycle. In just a moment, I'll be showing you how Zuora CPQ can give your reps the power to quote faster with a single page quoting screen, quote for any type of deal, whether that be the initial sign up, upsell, cross-sell, renewal, or adding a one-time charge. Understand the financial impact of every single quoting decision, and last, how Zuora CPQ aligns sales and finance teams by automating downstream quote to revenue processes. So let's get started. Let's say I'm a rep for CloudStream, and CloudStream provides both hardware and software security solutions. I've got an open opportunity here for Acme. They're a key customer we've been hoping to close this quarter, and they're ready to move forward. So let's quickly configure a quote for them. Now, as I click into Zuora CPQ from the opportunity page, I'm immediately met with everything I need to configure their subscription. For Acme, we've agreed to a 3-year term, and our company standard is a 12-month renewal term. And during our negotiations, we actually agreed on a 3-year ramp. So I'll check the box for ramp and select the annual interval for the ramp. I mentioned CloudStream offers both hardware and software solutions. So we're going to start by adding our enterprise monitoring plan. Again, all without leaving this single quoting screen. I'm able to quickly search for the plan with a few keywords and find the annual monitoring plan and add it to the quote. And since this is a ramp deal, you can see there are 3 different annual ramp tabs. For this deal, we're offering a discount on the flat monitoring charge, and that's 20% off year 1, 10% off year 2, and 5% off year 3. As I'm making these changes, you can see the subtotal, interval total, and subscription total are all updating in real time, so I'm able to make really smart and informed decisions while I'm building the quote, since these are numbers that aren't just affecting my customer's total, but as a rep, I'm thinking about things like quota attainment. This monitoring plan also includes an overage charge based on consumption, which can be discounted independently, although for this deal, we'll leave it at list price. Next, we'll add our physical hardware to this quote. Again, I can quickly find our control system hardware with just a few keywords without leaving this one consolidated quoting page. And again, the quote total in the bottom right is updated to reflect the entire quote total across the ramped recurring charges and the one-time hardware charge. So now that I have this quote prepared, I can submit this quote, change the status to approved, then send the quote directly to Zuora. Now, switching over to Zuora, I can actually navigate to the orders page and see that a new order has been created for Acme. And here we go. Let's actually fast forward 6 months. Acme has been a great customer for us so far. Our upsell team is now actually working to quote them an additional analytics package that they could really benefit from. If I'm an upsell rep, I likely was not involved in the initial new business deal, but with Zuora CPQ, I still get a great snapshot of exactly where Acme has been today. I see that it's a 3-year deal, their renewal dates, even if they owe any balance on their account. So again, as I proceed to quote this, I'm armed with a ton of information to make a really informed quoting decision. Since Acme is already a customer, Zuora CPQ automatically associates that billing account with the quote and lets me amend their existing subscription. So I'm able to quote wherever they're at in the subscriber lifecycle with us and have it all in one consolidated subscription quote. Once again, everything is being served up to me on the same page. I can quickly add the analytics package. And this time I'll see a delta icon as the price updates to show me the change from the original subscription. Same as before, I'll submit the quote, approve the quote, then send it to Zuora. We'll take another look into Zuora, and if I go back and refresh here, we'll see the new change order updated with the delta amount and with the new analytics package added. From here, Zuora will handle things like prorating the invoice, coordinating provisioning of these services, collections, reallocating revenue due to those changes, all while associated with the existing subscription, making things much easier for downstream finance teams. All right, so just to quickly recap, we just saw how Zuora CPQ helps reps quote faster with everything they need at their fingertips to make smart, informed quoting decisions, quote for the entire subscriber lifecycle by natively amending quotes, and how it streamlines the downstream finance processes as a result of new or amended quotes. Thank you so much for watching, and to learn more about Zuora CPQ, you can visit Zuora.com.